From 1920s experiments to modern-day snipers. 1 century, one legacy that's split into 2. This is the ultimate guide to every Czech and Slovak tank ever produced. First up, interwar and World War II. KH-60, a bold, early Czech invention with road wheels that could be raised or lowered. This clever design pushed the boundaries of what a multi-terrain vehicle could do. As a 1920s pioneer, it showed the world what the young nation could build.
Tančík VZ-33.
This tiny Czech tankette was built for scouting. It was cramped and very light. Even so, it paved the way for future armoured designs in the region.
LT VZ-34.
This Czech LT model was a massive step forward. It provided the military with a reliable platform for early mobile warfare. It felt modern and sturdy for its time.
LT VZ-35.
Famous for its pneumatic controls. This machine was very sophisticated. It saw service across many nations and proved to be a reliable Czech combatant. Next, LT VZ-38, often called one of the best light tanks of the era. Its chassis was so good, it stayed in production for years. It was a Czech mechanical masterpiece.
AH-4,
a nimble export success. This small tank was perfect for rugged terrain. It sold well to countries like Iran and Romania because of its agility.
Praga TNH,
the foundation of a legend. This TNH design was the starting point for a family of tanks. These machines would eventually dominate the export market.
Praga LTP, tailor-made for the high altitudes of Peru.
This LTP was light enough to climb mountains. Most other tanks would have simply failed there. The next one, Praga LTH, built specifically for the Swiss. This LTH version proved that SH Koda and Praga could meet the toughest requirements. It was a very precise machine.
Praga LTL, sent to Lithuania.
This LTL variant featured a punchy 20mm cannon. It was a very effective scout for its size. Skoda MU2. This SH Koda MU2 was a strange little machine. It focused on a very low profile. This made it a difficult target to hit on the battlefield. Next, Skoda MU4, an experimental tankette that tried to improve on basic designs. It never saw mass production. However, it taught the engineers many valuable lessons. Then, Skoda MU6, a larger attempt at the tankette concept. This MU6 carried more firepower. It eventually proved that the age of the tankette was coming to an end.
Skoda S1J.
This SH1J was a tank destroyer variant. It packed a heavier gun to deal with enemy armour. It was meant to strike from a distance.
Tatra T3,
a medium tank with a complex engine. This T3 was an ambitious project. It highlighted the creative engineering found in the region at the time.
Skoda S3.
This heavy SH3 design was meant to break through enemy lines. It featured impressive armour for the mid-1930s, a real bruiser of a tank.
Praga Phi 8H,
a solid medium tank that nearly became the backbone of the army. This V8H was modern and powerful. It was truly ready for battle. Skoda T-Series. This series of prototypes were precursors to several medium tank designs. They were well balanced. They attracted a lot of international interest during their development. F4HE, an amphibious experiment. This F4HE was designed to cross rivers and lakes. Even though it faced hurdles, it was a very daring concept.
Skoda T15,
a light reconnaissance tank designed to replace older models. It was fast and featured a very sleek turret design, great for quick scouting missions.
Panzer 38N-A.
This was a high-speed scout tank. It modified a classic design to meet the demands of late-war reconnaissance. It was incredibly fast on open ground. Moving on to post-war and Cold War. T-34-85. Produced under license, this legendary machine became a symbol of power. It combined simple construction with a massive gun. It was a true war winner. The next one, T-54A. This marked the beginning of a new era. It was a rugged main battle tank. It could survive and fight in the harshest conditions imaginable. T-55A, an absolute classic of the Cold War. It improved on earlier models with better protection against radiation. Its engine was legendary for its reliability. T-55 AM2 Kladivo.
This upgraded version featured a fire control system called Cladivo, or Hammer. It made this older tank much more deadly and accurate. The next one, T-72M1, a powerhouse of the late 20th century. It brought heavy armor and a massive 125mm gun. It was a formidable opponent. And our last category is modern era, T-72M4CZ, a modern masterpiece of Czech engineering. This M4CZ takes the classic chassis and fills it with state-of-the-art electronics. It is very capable. The next one, T-72EA Avenger, a modernized variant designed for current conflicts. This EA model features enhanced protection and improved night vision systems. It is built for the modern age. T-72M2 Moderna. This Slovak upgrade is truly unique. It features distinctive dual cannons on the turret. These are designed to take down low-flying aircraft and drones. T-72M1A, a refined Slovak model upgrade. It improved the armor and reliability across the board. It keeps the tank relevant for today's warfare.